Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna start a hopefully long series of videos about the creation of my first train layout. Bit of introduction. I'm from Italy, I love Japan, and I've been there quite a few times already and hope to go many more in the future. And I love Japanese trains, so I wanted to reproduce a small portion of Japan in my house. And what better way to do that than creating a layout of Japanese train station? In this case, it would be Tokyo Station, one of the busiest train stations in the world. What I like about it is that you can find so many different kind of trains: Shinkansen, express, local, everything. It's probably the best place to watch Shinkansen in all Japan, as it's the terminal station for 6 different Shinkansen lines. You could spend there hours watching trains arrive and depart, and it's an amazing place. And I've made a video about it. The link will be up here in somewhere and in the video description. A few months ago, after one of my trips to Tokyo back in May, I believe, I made the decision to start building a layout. So I started planning it with the help of a friend of mine, Elvino, who also have a channel about his model trains, and the GNS forum. Links in the video description down below. If you're starting with Japanese trains, also it would greatly help you checking out a website called Sumida Crossing. It's where I got most of the information. Link also down below. Disclaimer. It's the first time I've attempted to create a train layout, so I'm in no way, shape or form an expert on the matter, so I'll probably make a lot of mistakes, but that's how you learn, right? So any advice is more than welcome. So I decided to put the layout in my living room, underneath the TV. The available space is not much. It's 70 centimeters by 240, but I still managed to fit quite a few lines. To design the track layout, I used a free software called Scram, the link down below in the video description. It's been a few months now of planning, and I think I came up with the final design. There are 4 separate lines, 2 Shinkansen and 2 express local. For the local lines, we have an elevated track with the Chuo line running on it. And for the ground one, we have the Yamanote line going in a loop, and an E757 set for the Itachi Tokiwa Limited Express service. For the Shinkansen line, we have one line for the N700A Nozomi service on the Tokaido Shinkansen line, and one for all the other Shinkansen, an E7 Okuriko service, an E5 Hayabusa service, and an H5 E6 combo for the Komachi Hayabusa service. There will be also a hidden station behind the backdrop, onto which I plan on putting a photo of the Tokyo skyline. So the last time I went to Japan, about a couple of months ago, I bought most of the stuff I needed, as it's so much cheaper than here in Italy. Everything is from Kato. I choose Kato because all of the trains are DCC friendly, meaning you can just drop in the Kato decoders without any hassles. See the link up here and below in the video description to a video where I show you how to do it. So the next step is getting the material for the wooden base and start assembling it. So see you in the next video. Bye.